All right, everyone, so the problem is, what is the empirical formula of a compound containing 40.1% carbon, 6.6% hydrogen, and 53.3% oxygen? First things first, let's start with what the problem gives us. Problem says we're dealing with carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. We want to end up with the empirical formula. So to get that, we need the mole ratios for these three elements. We need the moles of each. We have percentages. If we say had 100 grams of this compound, we would have these exact percentages for these elements. So for carbon, we would have 40.1 grams. For hydrogen, we'd have 6.6 grams, and for oxygen, 53.3 grams. What can we do with those grams? We can turn them into moles and hence get our mole ratios. So, next step, we are going to convert these grams to moles. So we're going to multiply by a conversion factor. We want to cancel out grams and be left with moles. So we need to know the relationship between moles and grams for carbon. 1 mole is 12.01 grams. So we're going to put that on the bottom. When we solve our math here, the math being 40.1 times 1 divided by 12.01, we get 3.339 moles of carbon. Grams cancel out. We're left with moles. So we're going to do the same thing for hydrogen and oxygen. We want to get rid of grams. For hydrogen, 1.01 grams is 1 mole. We'll solve, and we see we have 6.535 moles of hydrogen. Lastly, for oxygen, molar mass of oxygen is 16.00. That's how many grams is 1 mole. And our math here gives us 3.331 moles. Cancel out our units, like always. Okay, so we have the moles of each three of these elements. So to turn them into numbers that look a little better, we're going to take each of them and divide by the smallest. So we're going to divide each of these three by 3.331. And we know for oxygen, since it's the smallest amount of moles, dividing 3.331 by 3.331 is exactly 1. We'll solve for the other two, and we will get 1.002 for carbon, and for hydrogen, we will get 1.962. Final step is to round to which numbers these should probably be. 1.002 is pretty much 1, and 1.962 is pretty much 2. So, our final answer is going to be C1, which we will not write, H2, O1, which again is implied. So final answer, CH2O. Alright everyone, if you want to see another example, click in the top right. Please like this video if it helped you in any way. Feel free to look in the doobly-doo below for additional help and resources. Please subscribe and ring the bell to get notified for new videos, and thank you so much for watching.